We are the BS in Electronics Engineering students from Notre Dame of the Jangas University.
My name is Charles Jun M. Rubinos.
And my name is Cristina Vidientes.
And I am VJ Daniel Sanjorjo.
No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type.
And now we are about to show you how to use a DMM and a breadboard.
Come on, take a sip.
But first, we need to know what is a DMM and a breadboard. This is a DMM or digital multimeter.
What is DMM or digital multimeter? DMM is one of the most useful items of test equipment. Basic instruments can measure current, voltage, and resistance. But most include the capability to measure many other values.
Shimmy, yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist in it, bitch. My pinky ring bigger than this.
In using the digital multimeter, the black probe is always in the center, and once you put it in there, you should not change its position because it is always on the COM area. Then, if you want to measure the voltage of a certain battery, put the red probe on this area here. Cause of the units, volts, ohms, and milliampere. If you want to know the voltage of the battery, you need to turn this button clockwise on this voltage sign. Make sure that the mode of your voltage is DC or direct current. Then measure. If its data is negative, don't worry cause the probes weren't in the right position. Just interchange them. Press hold. Oops! Press hold when the numbers aren't moving because it indicates that it is the voltage of the battery. If you want to check the voltage of a socket, you need to change the mode of a DMM. Instead of DC, change it to AC or alternating current.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them.
This is the breadboard.
No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends.
First, I'm going to label the parts of the breadboard. These four here are called the binding post, where you can connect a power source. Then this part of the breadboard is called the power rail. Can also connect using a jumper wire to a power source. Then these are called the terminal strips, where you can put the LED lights, resistor to make a circuit, and this part is called the dip support.
What is a breadboard? A breadboard is a widely used tool to design and test a circuit.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
To make a simple circuit, you need to have a battery, LED light, jumper wires, and a resistor. We have to make the LED light first. Put the LED light here, then put the resistor here. And lastly, the jumper wires. Connect the jumper wires to the battery to make the LED light.
One friend left to sell clothes, one works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed.
We conclude that breadboarding is an important step in testing out ideas or learning how circuits work.
And we also conclude that using DMM or digital multimeter can help us to measure the voltage in a battery or the energy source.
I conclude that a breadboard is a great tool for quickly testing a prototype circuit, especially for first learners like us who takes electronics engineering subjects.
Now I'm on my way. I still remember these old country lanes when we did not know the answers. It's the way.